Hi, I'm Micah Westrom with the Willis Auto Campus and Willis Accessories, and today I'm going to show you the 2018 Jaguar F Type 400 Sport. This Jag is already a striking vehicle, and we see opportunities to enhance the road presence even further. The Jag initially featured a lighter exterior and a few dark accents on the front splitter, side vents, and wheels. This dark gray inspired us to do a complete color change. Now let's take it into the shop and start on the transformation. We chose the satin dark gray with a little bit of metallic flake, allowing the F-Type's bold lines to be on full display. Whenever working on custom projects here at Willis Auto Campus, we focus on specific portions of the vehicle. In this case, we decided to focus on the hood, vents, and mirrors in a way to contrast the new gray exterior color. We settled on a gloss black vinyl, which gives the vehicle a more aggressive look that's truly eye-catching. Beyond the styling itself, what sets us apart is our attention to detail. Many of these custom projects require free hand trimming and alignment. This is where our quality and workmanship is on full display. Our transformation is complete. The vehicle started out as an Indus Silver and now has turned into our satin dark gray metallic. The other accents featured on the vehicle are the yellow. The yellow in the 400 Sport really stands out against the new dark gray background, as well as also the accent we added, which was the yellow pinstripe just down the side. We wanted to get a little creative with the vehicle and add some sort of an accent that really stands out and ties together with the brake caliper here in the front. Here at Willis Auto Campus, we pride ourselves on customizing your vehicle. Whether it's something as small as window tint or it's a complete custom package you'd like to be consulted on, reach out to us so we can make the process simple and easy and fun. Again, I'm Micah Westrom with Willis Auto Campus. Look at us on willisaccessories.com and make sure you shop local luxury.